Hello viewers, welcome back. In today's lecture we are going to solve one JEE advanced problem. This is one of the interesting problem. Let's start with this. So given is the reaction sequence given below is carried out with 16 moles of X. This is the starting material, and the yield of the major product in each step is given in the bracket. Now we have to find out the amount of S produced in how many grams. Okay, so this is the problem. Now we have to find out the product, then we will go to the yield. The first case, this one, the X in the presence of sodium and dry ether, this is what? A fatigue reaction. Okay, this is a fatigue reaction. So it will give the biphenyl product, and later this cyclic acetal will get hydrolysis. That's why I given this free aldehyde. Okay, so this is the P is the product is formed. Now second is the Q, P to Q is a Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, this Cannizzaro reaction followed by hydrolysis. We know that Cannizzaro reaction is, so one of that aldehyde will get oxidized and another aldehyde will get reduced. So why? So we put this carboxylic acid and another is alcohol. The next step is decarboxylation. So this one, Q to R. So then the decarboxylation, there is a removal of carboxylic acid group. Okay, so this is the removal of carboxylic acid group. Carboxylic acid group is removed. Now we are treating with PbR3. So what will happen? This OH group is converted to a bromine. Now this is the T, and this T is reacting is further with this R in the presence of sodium hydride. So what will happen? So this forms alkoxide. This alkoxide will react with this one. This is one kind of SN2 reaction. Finally we will get, this is the product ES. Okay, so we find out or the solved the sequence. Now we have to go to the yield calculation. Now here we have to do it very carefully. You see, first what they did is the 16 moles of X they have taken. Okay, now means here we have taken the 16 moles. First we should write the general equation for the fatigue reaction. So what will happen? 2 moles of aryl halide. Okay, 2 moles of aryl halide. So what will give? It will give 1 mole of biphenyl. Okay, 1 mole of biphenyl. So like this it will form. So that means 2 to 1. So that means here 16 moles means of. So that means this will give 8 moles. Understand it? So this will form 16 moles to this is 8 moles. And here the P to Q is 50%. That means here 8 to 4 moles. Again this, again 50%. This is 2 moles. Again 50%. This is 1 mole. This again 50%. This is half mole. Okay. So that means the S compound is formed in the amount of 0.5 moles. Now they are asking in how many? In the gram. So what we have to do is, that means 0.5 into 350. So that means half of the moles. That means around 175 grams is the answer. So here this is 175 grams. So here we have to do it very careful. Here the 16 is converting to 8. Sometimes the students they will do it, okay, this is 100% yield, so they will assume that 16 gives to 16 moles. Then it will go wrong. So here we have to take it very carefully, applying the theoretically that fatigue reaction. 2 moles of aryl halide, 2 moles of aryl halide convert to 1 mole of biphenyl. So that means 16 to 8 moles. So this is the key point. So if you forget, then all the answer will go wrong. Okay, I hope you understand this lecture. Kindly subscribe and share it. Thank you very much.